Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have square root of 5 minus 2 to the power of 8, we write this into the simplified form. So first we will take here its base is square root of 5 minus 2, we take it equals to x. So if our x is square root of 5 minus 2, and now if we take our base is x, then we just find the value of x to the power of 8. Okay, so if you find the value of x to the power of 8, that is the simplified form of the given question. Okay, so here first we move this minus 2 to the left hand side, and it will be written as x plus 2 equals to square root of 5. So now we remove this square root sign from the right hand side, so that now we take squares on both of the sides, and it will be written as x plus 2 whole square equals to square root of 5 and its whole square. So further we need some simplification in the left hand side, and in the left hand side we will apply here the nice square identity. And you know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you focus on this, we have our a is x and our b is 2. So now we apply this nice formula to the above equation, and our above equation is written as in this form. So this is x square plus 2 times of ab. So here our a is x and b is 2 plus b square. So b is 2 square, and in the right hand side you have this 2 is cancelled out by the square root, and we get only 5. And further here we need more simplifications, and we write it as x squared plus 4x plus this is 2 squared becomes 4, and this whole is equals to 5. And now we move this plus 4 to the right hand side, and it will be written as x squared plus 4x is equals to 5 minus 4. This plus 4, when we move in the right hand side, it will becomes minus 4. And similarly, we move this plus 4x also to the right hand side, and we get the value of x squared equals to 1 minus 4x. And now we call this is our equation number 1. So here, in order to find the value of x to the power of 8, here we need to again and again use the value of x squared. So that here we first take squaring on both of the sides of this equation. So it will be written as x square and its whole square equals to 1 minus 4x and its whole squared. And after this step, you see here in the left hand side we have x squared and its whole square becomes x to the power of 4. And in the right hand side we again apply this nice formula. So according to this formula, it will be written as 1 square minus 2 times of 1 into 4x plus 4x whole square. Okay, so here we need some simplifications here, and we just write it as 1 square minus 2 times of 4 becomes 8x, and 4 square becomes 16, and x square becomes x square. So this is x to the power of 4. So here we again use the value of x square, and here you see that x square is equals to 1 minus 4x. So we use this value here, and it will be written as 1 minus 8x plus 16 into the x square equals to 1 minus 4x. So further we need to multiply the 16 on both of these terms, and it will be written as 1 minus 8x plus 16 minus, here you see that 16 times of 4 becomes 64x, and in the left hand side we have x to the power of 4. So now we need more simplification, and we have 1 plus 16 is equals to 17, and minus 8x minus 64 equals to minus 72x. So here you have x to the power of 4. So now in order to find the value of x to the power of 8, here we again need to apply the scaling on both of the sides, then you get x4 squared equals to 17 minus 72x and its whole square. So now again we apply the square identity, and we know that 17 squared minus 2 times of 17 into 72x and plus 72x whole squared. So after that, in the left hand side, we have x to the power of 8 equals. Here we need to expand the 17 square, and we know that 17 square equals to 289. And now we multiply 2 times of 17 times of 72. Then the product of these three numbers is equals to 2448 into x. And here we know that 72 square is equals to 5184, and x square is equals to x square. Okay, so here we need some simplification. So you see that again x square is used here. So now we again apply the value of x square here, and it will be written as 289 minus 2448 into x plus 5184 into x square, and the value of x square is 1 minus 4x. So now here we need more simplification, and now we just write this value on both of these terms, and it will be written as 289 minus 244 into x plus, here when we multiply 5184 by 1, then you get here 5184, and when we multiply 5184 by 4, then you will just get here 20 into 27 3 and 6 into x. Okay, so now here we need to add or subtract the like term. So we have the first like term is minus this x, and this is with x, and we subtract these two values and we add these two values. So here you have 289 plus 5184. So when you add these two values, then it will be written as in this form, 5473. So when you add these two values, then you get here 23,184 into x. Okay, so this is the value of x to the power of 8, but now we eliminate this x on both of the sides. So we back substitute the value of x, as we say that x is equals to square root of 5 minus 2. And now we back substitute on both of the sides, then you get here square root of 5 minus 2 to the power of 8 is equals to 5773, 473 minus 23,184 into x is equals to square root of 5 minus 2. And now we simplify the terms, and you get 5473 minus, we multiply this term on both of these terms, and it will be written as 23184 into square root of 5 plus, when you multiply this term by 2, then you will get here 46 and 368. So now we add this term and this term, so you will get here 51841 minus 23184 into square root of 5. Okay, so this is the our simplified form of square root of 5 minus 2 to the power of 8. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.